Hey guys, got a 2023 Sprinter here. So the client bought the van and he has a 9-foot door on his garage, but this van makes it, except it has this camera because it has a backup camera as well as a 360 view camera. And the camera bracket sits up about 2 or 3 inches above the roof line of the van. So even though the van will physically fit, the camera nails the garage door. So what he asked us to do was to basically rebuild the camera pod and lower it. So what we ended up doing is, and you can see Hondo's working on it over there, he moved it forward and down so it's covering partial of the third brake light, but now it lowered it about 2 inches. So now it sits slightly above the roof line of the vehicle. It actually made it so that it's literally right in line with the roof line. So we're remolding it, putting it back together, and then we'll mount it, and it'll literally look like it came with the vehicle, but now the van will be able to go in the garage. Some of Hondo's amazing handiwork on this Sprinter. So we'll show you video of the previous, but this was multiple pieces, and he even added in a piece. So he reshaped it. We plastic welded it basically, so it's bonded all together. So now it's one solid piece of plastic, and then he puts this plastic filler that shapes it so that it looks finished. Now he's going to prime it, block it, and then we'll texture paint it so it has the same appearance as the original plastic, and then we'll reassemble it, bolt it to the truck, and now it dropped it by a good 2 inches. We'll actually show you that. And so now it's in line with the roof, because the problem with the Sprinters is the roof is here and the camera sits probably 2 to 3 inches above the roof line at least. So even though the van will make it, the camera won't. So, and that's what happened to this particular client. So we're gonna solve that for him, and we'll show you in a little bit. Epoxied together, shaped, sanded, and painted, and now we just have to install it. But I mean, if you look at that, it looks like a factory part. We'll show you once it's on the vehicle.